Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 1.2% in the last session, after a 1.5% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street edged lower as investors assessed key economic data ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. The S&P 500 climbed to its highest level in nearly a week as an inflation report cemented bets on a 25 basis point rate cut at the Fed's December 17 to 18 meeting. Cryptocurrency exchanges in Europe are preparing to delist locally non-compliant stablecoins as European crypto regulations near an enforcement deadline. Coinbase Europe, Coinbase Germany and Coinbase Custody International will delist Tether's USDT and 5 other stablecoins today. The US dollar rose after a hotter-than-expected inflation readout, while the euro traded a touch lower following the European Central Bank's decision to cut interest rates for the 4th time this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Economic activity is expected to pick up this week, with the calendar featuring a mix of high, medium and low-impact data releases. Traders should stay informed, as these reports could present both opportunities and risks. With these significant events approaching, be sure to keep an eye on market sentiment. Preparing for potential volatility can ensure you're ready to act as needed.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.